Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video we are going to show you on how you can change the bed temperature in Bambu Studio. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to open up a project in Bambu Studio, and from here let's head over to the projects filament section at the side of our screen. Inside this page, you then want to click on the three dots which states the click to edit presets, and from here let's click on the edit button. Inside this page, we have different categories like our filament, our cooling, setting overrides, advanced, and more. Simply inside filaments, you then want to scroll down, and under the print temperature section, we then have the bed temperature related options. So you can edit something like the cool plate, the engineering plate, smooth P, AI plate, and more. Inside, you can just customize your temperature the way you want to. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.